paint in Adobe Photoshop or Corel Painter, don't give up and don't throw anything away. Nobody hates the interim steps of my paintings more than I do. I used to think I couldn't paint and would give up midway. Then I figured out that actually, the more you work on a painting, the better it looks, and that paintings rarely look good while you're working on them. So if you've tried to paint and think you can't, it may be because you give up too soon. Meanwhile, don't throw anything away. If you don't think you can finish something, save it and call it an interim step. Then someday, you'll come back to it and figure out how to finish it. They say writing is editing. So is painting. So if your painting isn't coming out the way you'd like, instead of giving up, just say that's just the process and keep painting or editing until you get the result that you like. The best way to get better at painting is to keep painting and to also study how to paint. If you don't study, you just practice what you don't know. A great way to study how to turn photos into paintings in Adobe Photoshop and Corel Painter is by joining us at the Artistry Academy of Painting for Photographers at karensperling.com. Happy painting!